हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं 51 क्वेश्चन नंबर से। क्योंकि 50 तक जो है वो क्वेश्चन नंबर कंप्लीट हो चुका है और ये पार्ट 1 में 50 तक आपका कंप्लीट हो गया सेल एंड टिश्यू का। तो आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे सेल एंड टिश्यू का ही। तो 51 से स्टार्ट करेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट आर द मेजर टाइप ऑफ टिश्यू इन द बॉडी? मतलब हमारे बॉडी में मेजर टाइप ऑफ टिश्यू कौन कौन से होते हैं? तो आंसर जो होगा वो ए होगा, नर्वस टिश्यू, मसल टिश्यू, एपिथेलियल टिश्यू एंड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू। इसका आंसर जो होगा वो ए होगा। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट 52 क्वेश्चन नंबर, which of the following is not one of the organism within a cell? आंसर इज ए, डेस्मोसोम। क्या होता है इसका आंसर? डेस्मोसोम। क्या है? डेस्मोसोम जो है वो डिस्पाइट हैविंग द सफिक्स सम आर नॉट विद इन अ सेल, दे आर स्ट्रक्चर दैट जॉइन एडजेसेंट प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन टू ईच अदर। ठीक है। इसका आंसर जो होगा ए होगा। नेक्स्ट 53 क्वेश्चन नंबर, विच लिस्ट कंटेन द मेन बॉडी टिश्यू टाइप? आंसर इसका बी होगा। इसमें मतलब कौन सा लिस्ट कंटेन किया जाता है टिश्यू टाइप में? तो एपिथेलियल टिश्यू, नर्वस टिश्यू, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू और मसल टिश्यू। ठीक है। इसका आंसर जो होगा वो बी होगा। नेक्स्ट 54 क्वेश्चन नंबर, which process sorry the process of diffusion through a membrane may be described by which of the following? तो इसका आंसर जो होगा वो ए होगा, द मूवमेंट ऑफ आयंस एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स अवे फ्रॉम region where they are in high concentration towards region where they are in lower concentration, that is called the answer। ठीक है। इसलिए ये आंसर है। और क्या कहता है कि द चॉइस विद एटीपी आर नॉन सेंस while choice C refer to endocytosis। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट 55 क्वेश्चन नंबर, the process of active transport through a membrane may be described by which of the following? कौन सा इसमें से होगा? तो इसका आंसर जो होगा वो डी होगा, the use of flowing the use of energy the use of energy from ATP। ATP मतलब adenosine triphosphate to move ion and small molecules against their concentration gradient। आंसर जो होगा डी होगा, एनर्जी दैट मींस एटीपी is required to force molecule against their concentration gradient। Okay. Next 56 question number, which of the following is the smallest living structural unit of the body? मतलब तो इसका आंसर जो होगा वो डी होगा। ये बचपन से हम पढ़ते आ रहे हैं। इसका आंसर सेल होगा। the cell is the smallest structural unit of the unit that is deemed to be a life। Next 57 question number, which of the following enable ions such as the sodium to cross a plasma membrane? इसका आंसर जो होगा वो सी होगा, इंटीग्रल प्रोटीन। One function of integral protein in a plasma membrane is to form channel to allow for the passage of ions। okay, मतलब पास होने के लिए ions को। Next 58 question number, cell membrane can maintain a difference in electrical charge between the interior of the cell and the extracellular fluid. What is this charge difference called? The answer is B, the plasma membrane potential। The plasma membrane potential। Okay। इसका जो explanation है, the inside of cell is negative while the exterior side of the membrane is positive। इनसाइड जो सेल है वो क्या है? निगेटिव। और एक्सटेरियर मतलब बाहर का जो मेम्ब्रेन है वो पॉजिटिव। दिस डिफरेंस इज इन चार्ज कॉन्स्टिट्यूट और डिफरेंस इन इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल और वोल्टेज known as the resting membrane potential। An action potential is generated when the membrane is stimulated and the potential reversed. Okay. Next 59 question number. The resting the resting membrane potential of a cell is the consequence of which of the following concentration of ion? The answer is C, high cell and Na मतलब हो गया सोडियम, Cl मतलब हो गया क्लोराइड. Okay. Then outside the cell and high potassium charge and a large cation inside the cell. Okay. इसका आंसर जो होगा वो C होगा. These ionic species are largely responsible for the membrane potential. Cation are negative ion, while there is a higher concentration of calcium outside the cell then inside there is a fewer calcium and then chloride ions. Okay. Next 60 question number. What is one function of mitochondria? To the answer is B, produce of molecules of the ATP. Okay. Mitochondria are organelles within the which is ATP is made. Next 61 question number. Membrane protein perform the following functions except one. Which one? The answer is A, from the glycocalyx. ये क्या होता है? Glycocalyx refers to molecule in the plasma membrane that have carbohydrate chain attached prefix glyco. Okay. Next 62 question number. Facilitated diffusion differ from the active transport because facilitated diffusion. तो इसका आंसर जो होगा वो होगा C. Move molecules moves molecules from where they are in higher concentration to lower concentration. Okay. Higher concentration से क्या lower concentration. इसका explanation क्या हो सकता है? Diffusion always refer to movement from higher to lower concentration without energy expenditure. Facilitated refer to the assistance provided by a transport molecule that is designed for the purpose. Okay. Next 63 question number. Which of the following is a not a connective tissue? इसमें से connective tissue कौन सा नहीं है? तो इसका आंसर होगा mesothelium. ठीक है. Mesothelium क्या है? Is a simple squamous epithelium है that is a found serous membrane और वो serous membrane में पाया जाता है. Next 64 question number. The cells that are found tendon are called. The answer is D, fibroblast. ये क्या है? Simple squamous है. Single layer of flat squares cells, so diffusion through the layer take place easily. Line heart, limb and blood vessels known as endothelium. Okay, ये सब endothelium में पाया जाता है. Lymph हो गया, heart हो गया, blood vessels हो गया. Called mesothelium जो है वो serous membrane. ठीक है. Next 65 question number. Which one of the following term best describe the structure of cell membrane? इसका आंसर जो होगा ए होगा fluid mosaic model. तो fluid जो है implies the structure of can move and change, not like a brick wall. Mosaic refer to the presence of protein mosaic से then scattering among the glycolipids. Okay. Next 66 question number. Which one of the following term best describe phospholipid? It consists of phospholipid का best describe कौन सा होगा? इसका आंसर जो होगा वो C होगा, polar head and non polar tail. Okay. क्यों होगा? चलिए देखते हैं. C polar जो होता है हाइड्रोफिलिक हेड होता है ऑफ फॉस्फेट का, then which can dissolve होता है and aqueous extracellular solution में because of water molecules are polar. Non polar जो होता है हाइड्रोफोबिक होता है, tail of which being non-polar cannot dissolve in aqueous solutions. Okay. Next हम बात करेंगे 67 question number. One of the function of integral protein in cell membrane is to from channel for transport function. From channel for transport function मतलब transport करने के लिए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाने के लिए. some protein जो होता है form channel which allow molecules and ions to enter the cell और ions को क्या करता है enter करने के लिए ठीक है next 68 क्वेश्चन नंबर हो गया which one of following best describe what a cell membrane consists of answer is B lipid cholesterol and protein. These are the three major constitute ribosome, cytoplasm, and are found inside the cell. Okay. Next, 69 question number. Which one of the following organelles is considered as an energy producing cell, energy producing center of the cell? इसका आंसर जो होगा C होगा mitochondria. Mitochondria क्या करता है? Which where ATP molecules and produce glucose. Okay. Next 70 question number. What is the major function of lysosome? They digest unwanted particles within the cell. जो डी prefix lies जो है तो रेफर करता है ability to alter a molecule by the dividing them into a smaller pieces. Next 71 question number. What is the purpose of sodium potassium pump? क्या है purpose sodium potassium pump का? तो इसका आंसर जो होगा वो A होगा to perform endocytosis और ये perform करता है endocytosis ठीक है देखते हैं the concentration gradient is set up by the use of energy to move sodium ion to where they are greater concentration. This requirement for energy means choice B is wrong. ठीक है इसका आंसर पहला होगा अरे सॉरी डी होगा ठीक है नेक्स्ट 72 क्वेश्चन नंबर सॉरी इसका आंसर जो होगा वो डी होगा इसका आंसर नॉट ए इसका आंसर डी होगा टू प्रोड्यूस कंसंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट फॉर सोडियम आयन ओके इसका आंसर जो होगा वो डी होगा नेक्स्ट 72 क्वेश्चन नंबर विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज नॉट अ टाइप ऑफ सेल इसमें से कौन सा जो है वो नहीं है सेल टाइप में इसका आंसर ए होगा राइबोसोम नेक्स्ट 73 क्वेश्चन नंबर What is the name of mechanism that ensure that there is a higher concentration of sodium ion in an extracellular fluid than in the intracellular fluid? Answer इसका D होगा sodium potassium pump. The pump exchange the sodium for potassium and use energy from ATP to functions. Okay. Next 74 question number. What is the name given to the type of transport where glucose or an amino acid binds to a receptor protein on a plasma membrane which then moves the molecule into the cell without the expenditure of energy. इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा ए फैसिलिटेड डिफ्यूजन ओके इसका जो the member of protein facilitated the entry into the cell no energy is expended so it is not an active transport okay next 75 question number what is the name given to move the glucose amino acid from the good into the cell lining leaning the good when they bind to transport protein that has also bound a sodium ion. The sodium ion is entering the cell along its concentration gradient. इसका आंसर जो होगा वो डी होगा secondary active transport. Okay, क्यों होगा? Sodium ion was transported out of the cell with the use of energy in order to set up the sodium concentration gradient. This gradient then allow other molecule to enter the cell along with sodium re-entry. This is active because energy used, but secondary as it occurs as a reverse active transport event. ठीक है तो नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे 76 क्वेश्चन नंबर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्रोड्यूस which of the following इसका आंसर जो होगा ए होगा एटीपी एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट नेक्स्ट 77 why does the plasma membrane of cell present a barrier to the movement of electrolyte through it. इसका आंसर बी होगा. Electrolyte are not soluble in the lipid of the membrane. Okay, electrolyte being a charged particle are not able to dissolve their way through the lipid plasma membrane, which is non-polar. Hence, it is a barrier of they. Okay. Next 78 question. Which of the following statement about leak channel in the plasma membrane is correct? Leak channel का कौन सा statement चाहिए? इसका आंसर B होगा. They are passageway formed by protein to allow water and ion to move passively through the membrane. This is the definition of leak channel. They may be gated, which means shut until stimulated to open. Choice I refer to facilitated fusion. Next 79 question number. What are the primary type of body tissue? The answer is C. Nervous tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle tissue and connective tissue. Next देखेंगे 20 question number. Epithelial and connective tissue differ from each other in which of the following characteristics? Differ कौन सा है? तो इसका आंसर जो होगा C होगा. The answer is C. Cell is the epithelial tissue are closely packed, whereas in a connective tissue they are not. Okay. Next 81 question number. Which of the following is component of the plasma membrane of a cell? The answer is D. Cholesterol. Okay. Despite the term of plasma, A and C are जो A और C जो है वो wrong है. And it is the phospholipids are not a glycoside that occurs in membrane. 82 question number. What term is used to describe the movement of dissolved particles along or down their concentration gradient? Answer is D. Diffusion. Answer क्या होगा? D. Diffusion. Next 83 question number. Which of the following molecules cannot pass through the plasma membrane? Answer is C. Amino acid based hormones. Amino acid based hormone जो है वो पास नहीं हो पाएगा प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन से. 84 क्वेश्चन नंबर. विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज ए कनेक्टिव टिश्यू? कौन सा कनेक्टिव टिश्यू इसमें है? तो इसका आंसर जो होगा डी होगा, क्योंकि ब्लड होता है. ब्लड कंटेंट सेपरेटेड लिक्विड मैट्रिक्स एंड ए भी जो है. नेक्स्ट 85 क्वेश्चन नंबर. विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज एपिथेलियल एंड एपिथेलियल टिश्यू? तो इसका आंसर जो होगा वो होगा एपिथेलियल टिश्यू का कौन सा है? तो इसका आंसर बी होगा, एड्रिनल ग्लैंड. ओके. नेक्स्ट देखिए 86 क्वेश्चन नंबर. What is the major component of the plasma membrane of a cell? इसका आंसर ए होगा, phospholipids. Cholesterol and protein are also present in the plasma membrane but are more minor components. Next 87 question number. Which one of the following is not function of membrane protein? Answer is A. They are form a structure called glycocalyx. The glycocalyx is the thought of being membrane carbohydrates. Next 88 question number. Facilitated diffusion through a membrane involves which of the following acrinials? Centrioles. The answer is D. A molecule binding to a receptor which moves the molecule through a membrane without the expenditure of energy. Facilitated is by binding protein, membrane protein. Okay. Next 89 question number. The diffusion of water through membrane is referred as to. Answer is C. Osmosis. Osmosis is a word that reserved from the movement of water through a membrane. Okay. Next 90 question number. What is the tissue that covers the body surface line internal tube called? The answer is A. Answer A होगा, epithelial tissue. Okay. Body cover जो है internal tubes को cover करता है epithelial tissue. Next, epithelial tissue has a one surface open and exterior and content of the tube. 91 question number. Which of the following is a true for a connective tissue? इसका आंसर डी होगा। डी होगा, इट इज द मेड ऑफ सेल प्रोटीन फाइबर एंड ground substance. The connective tissue include the fiber and cells which are not closely packed. Okay. Next 92 question number. The cell membranes resting potential about 70 MB inside the respect to the outside is due mainly to which of the following mechanisms? The answer is A. Sodium potassium pump. Okay. Then explanation is the ATPase pump shift 3 sodium out of the cell and 2 potassium into the cell. This disparity in positive charge is a major influence on the resting potential. Okay. Next next 93 question number. Which of the following cells are unnucleated have a single nucleus? The answer is B. Epithelial cells. Red blood cells have no nucleus, while osteoclast and skeletal muscle cells are multinuclear. Okay. Next 94 question number. What is the function of cell plasma membrane? The answer is C. It regulates the passage of molecule and ions into and out of the cell. The answer is C. The plasma membrane is made of lipid and separate the aqueous intracellular fluid from the aqueous extracellular fluid. Substance cannot enter the lip and the cell unless they are lipid soluble or by endoexocytosis or have a membrane, protein, pore and transport mechanism that can move them through the membrane. Okay. Next 95 question number. Which of the following cells would be found in connective tissue? The answer is C. Chondrocytes. Chondrocytes. Chondro refers to the cartilage and chondrocytes are the cells as cartilage and cartilage are a connective tissue and the other choice of the epithelial tissue and nervous tissue. Okay. 96 question number. Which of the following cells would be found in nervous tissue? इसमें से कौन सा होगा नर्वस टिश्यू का? तो इसका आंसर जो होगा बी होगा, माइक्रोग्लिया. माइक्रोग्लिया क्या होता है? ग्लिया is a term of refer to support cells and nervous system. Dendricites are found in epidermis and no astrocytes in the CNS, central nervous systems. Next 97 question number. The question is which of the four type of tissue all organs contain? The answer is C. Organ contain all four type of tissue is इसका जो आंसर है वो है, इसका आंसर में तो सी दिया है. All organs have a capillaries and a blood supply. Blood is the connective tissue. Capillaries and epithelial tissue are arterial capillary has the precapillary sphincter which is made of smooth muscle cell. All organs are innervated so there contains nervous tissue. Okay. Next 98 question number. What is deep fascia? What is deep fascia? Deep fascia क्या होता है? Deep fascia connective tissue that around the muscles होता है. Deep fascia जो होता है वो fibrous connective tissue होता है that around the penetrate into the muscles as well as the surrounding bones, nerves and blood vessels. Muscle epimysium is an example of deep fascia. Choice C refer to superficial fascia. हटाओ. ठीक है. 99 question number. Which of the flowing cells are found in cartilage? तो इसका आंसर जो होगा वो B होगा, chondrocytes. Okay. Chondrocytes बता दिए. Chondro means होता है cartilage, then click. Okay. Next 100 question number. Which of the following cells are found in bone? कौन सा होगा? तो इसका आंसर C होगा, osteocytes. Osteo होता है osteocytes. Osteo is an ancient का था वो ग्रीक for bone. ठीक है. और ये ग्रीक के भाषा में bone होता है. Next 101 question number. Which of the following cells are found in द लंग्स। इसका आंसर होगा न्यूमोसाइट्स। न्यूमिया कम्स फ्रॉम द ग्रीक लंग्स होता है और एयर। द अदर सेल्स आर फाउंड इन ब्लड, एपिडर्मिस एंड टेस्टिकल्स रेस्पेक्टिवली। ओके, नेक्स्ट 102 क्वेश्चन नंबर, विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग सेल्स आर फाउंड इन लीवर। और लीवर का क्या होता है, ये हेपेटोसाइट्स होता है। ठीक है, हेपो कम्स ग्रीक लैंग्वेज होता है, वो लीवर होता है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट 103 क्वेश्चन नंबर, what are the generally referred to the organelles? Answer is D. Structures within a cell such as ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. Organelles are not a gland; they are structured within a cell. Okay. Next 104 question number. To what does the term of integral protein refer? Answer is A. To protein that lie within the plasma membrane of cells. Okay. Integral refer being within the cells membrane. The other choice are not close to being correct. Okay. Next 105 question number. What is the term used to describe the bulk movement of the large number of molecules out of the cell? The answer is B. Exocytes. Exos means होता है movement inside the to the outside. Cytosis to suffix that means refer cells. Okay. Next 106 question number. In which organism cell do most aerobic respirations reactions happen? Answer is B. In the mitochondria. Mitochondria are the site of aerobic respiration, that is the production of ATP from pyruvic acid, glucose and oxygen. Next 107 question number. Which of the following is not an example of connective tissue? इसमें से connective tissue का example कौन सा नहीं है? इसका आंसर C होगा, smooth muscles. Okay. Next 108 question number. Which of the following is not classed as a lipid? कौन सा नहीं है classed? तो इसका आंसर D होगा, keratin. ठीक है. Next देखते हैं 109 क्वेश्चन नंबर. A particular tissue contains cell that have a process that extend for 20 or 30 20 or 30 centimeter from the cell body. What type of tissue is it likely to be? Answer इसका जो होगा वो D होगा, connective tissue. Okay. Next क्या होगा? The long process called axon and belongs to neurons. So the tissue is a neural tissue. Next 110 question number. The cell of a tissue are long and cylindrical and are contain a great number of nuclei. In what type of tissue will such a cell to be found? Answer जो होगा B होगा, muscle type of tissue. Okay, muscle tissue. The cell is a skeletal muscle fiber, so tissue is the muscle tissue. Okay. Next 111 question number. What type of cell found in a single layer of lining the inner surface of the tube in the body and surrounded by a non-cellular membrane? Answer is C. Epithelial tissue. The description of indicates epithelial and their basement membrane. Okay. 112 question number. 112 question number. A particular tissue contains cells that are widely separated from each other and surrounded by tissue components. That is not a cellular. What type of tissue conform with these descriptions? The answer is D. Connective tissue. Okay. Connective tissue consists of the non-cellular matrix in which are distributed cells that are not adjacent to each other. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे सेल साइकिल का, जिसमें कि माइटोसिस और प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, सेल एंड टिश्यू का ही ये पार्ट है. तो नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम देखेंगे कि तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं और इसी टॉपिक से सेल साइकिल से. ओके.